Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening clips and granting camera, microphone, and photos access so the app can record and save. Once done, decide the aspect ratio you want because Clips applies effects differently depending on 16, 9, 9, 16, or square. Next, tap the plus sign to start a new project and either record directly, hold the record button, or import existing clips. Do this now so your media is ready for trimming and arranging in the next step. Don't skip choosing ratio. You'll now shape the story. Import or record several clips and drag them into the timeline. Use trim handles to split and remove excess. Once arranged, add live titles so speech becomes captions automatically. Tap the mic icon to edit words if recognition errs. Also apply filters and posters to set tone, and pin stickers or emojis where needed. Make sure to adjust each clip's duration and transitions so pacing feels natural. Because pacing affects viewer attention, spend time refining timing. You finish by tapping Done and choosing Share. Save to photos or send directly to messages or social platforms, and choose the resolution you want. Make sure audio levels are balanced. Add background music and adjust clip volume so dialogue remains clear. If you see missing audio or the app crashes, restart your iPhone, check available storage, and if necessary, reinstall clips to clear corrupted caches. One key tip: confirm microphone permissions in settings if live titles or recordings fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.